everyone, welcome to Anaheim Park Tourist. Today we're going to be giving you a room tour here at the Paradise Pier Hotel at the Disneyland Resort. The Paradise Pier Hotel is located at 1717 South Disneyland Drive in Anaheim. It is 0.6 of a mile or about a 1 kilometer walk to the Disneyland Resort. At the time of filming, we were able to access the Grand Californian using our Paradise Pier room key and cut through the Grand Californian, which cuts down the walk time to the parks. The Paradise Pier Hotel is rated number 56 out of 128 hotels on TripAdvisor. We paid for this room out of our own pocket. We booked a 2-queen room here, and the rooms do come with a day bed as well, which is basically a twin size bed, and we'll show you that shortly. This room does have a lot of floor space, so there's plenty of room for strollers, a pack and play, or a portable crib, and those you need to ask the front desk for if you need one. They also have a really nice workspace here. There's a great big desk, and there's 2 outlets above it for charging. And the nice part is this lower section does pull out, so you could bring it over to the sofa and use that as a dining table if you decide to eat in your room. We love that the couch here is included because it gives us an extra area to sit during the day, and then at night it converts into a bed, and that way our kids aren't sharing a bed. Next up is this dresser area, and in this part is the refrigerator and the safe. We've been staying here for quite some time, and the furniture is pretty beat up. It is due for a renovation, and you can tell when you look at the furniture, unfortunately. It's still a very nice room, very spacious, very bright room here. The bathroom here is everything all in one room, so the sink, toilet, and tub shower combination are all in one room. It is really nice though because there are mirrored closet doors to get ready in, and also a separate mirror area with a countertop and a light if you need to get ready separately from other people. The Paradise Pier is considered a deluxe hotel, so they do give you the H2O products in the bigger size like Walt Disney World, not the tiny bottles like Alani. This counter is super spacious, lots of room for everyone's toiletries, but it is very low. Like, I feel like I have to get down really low to wash my face. For little kids, that would be great. You wouldn't need a step stool or anything like that. So the shower head here is adjustable, and it's quite low, but you can adjust it higher if you're taller. I think this would work well for everyone of any height. They also include a clothesline. If you decide to go swimming at the pool here, you can dry your swimsuits, or if you need to wash something and hang dry it, you can. This was the mirror area I was talking about. If someone else is showering and getting ready, you can do your makeup out here. There's a light above it, and there's this great countertop. Also, the coffee pot is here, and there are 2 USBs and 2 regular outlets here as well. There are also 2 USBs in the alarm clock between the beds. There's a really nice sized closet right when you walk in. It's got full-length mirrors on it, and there's hangers, a luggage rack, extra bedding, the hair dryer, iron, and ironing board in there as well. We decided to splurge this trip, and we booked a premium view here at the Paradise Pier Hotel, and this is what you can expect with this view. So we have a clear view. I can see Galaxy's Edge, the Matterhorn. We should have an awesome view of the fireworks tonight if we decide to watch in our room. And also we could watch World of Color from our room. You can see Guardians, Grizzly River Run, all of Pixar Pier. I keep calling it Paradise Pier, but it's Pixar Pier now. And I mean, you really can't beat this view. We're on the 12th floor, and we're super happy with this room so far. They do pipe in the music here on the TV for World of Color, and we used to stay here quite often when our kids were a lot smaller because it was a lot more affordable back then. It wasn't that much more than the harbor hotels. So we stayed here quite often when they were little, and we would watch World of Color from the room because they would fall asleep. There is one well-known issue here at Paradise Pier, and that is the elevators. There's only 4, and they're quite slow. So just as a tip, when we first got to our room, I had to run back down to the lobby, and the lobby was crazy busy, tons of people waiting for elevators. So I just ran upstairs to the 2nd floor and caught the elevator there. One person noted when they got onto the elevator that I was on that they had been waiting for 20 minutes on their floor to get the elevator. So it can be quite lengthy during the very busy times. We will be filming an experience video about our stay here at Paradise Pier, so keep an eye out for that. If you want to check out our Disneyland Hotel room tour, click the link here. Thank you.